Here's how I made this. I started off with this glissando. It adds to the whole dream vibe. Then I added the sine pad. It adds to the background of the song. To give it some more bounce, I added these synth strings. As I was making the song, I came back to the beginning. I felt like it needed a little something extra. So I was messing around with this synth here, and it kind of sounds like an organ now. And I feel like it kind of adds to the song. Here's the whole thing.